Good morning, Muscle Car Corner here, bringing you a beautiful 69 GTO Judge. This car is really pristine. '69 Ram Air, 370 horse. One of 239 Ram Air GTOs. Boy, this thing shows really nice. It is a 4-speed car, black interior, which I believe they were all standard with that. Always love this hugger orange on any of these GM products, the Chevelles or the GTOs. Thought this color just really made this car work. And the Enduro bumper. Boy, it's nice. Engine looks beautiful. Everything is just detailed perfectly. I like to put a aftermarket OEM battery back in these. 366 horse. This thing will rock and roll, and it looks like this car is from Texas originally, so it's not going to be a rusty car, which is really nice. Muscle Car Corner signing out on a beautiful Ram Air car here in Meekum. Summertime. It's a hot auction. I'm going to bring it to you, though. Thank you so much for y'all's support. Follow me on through the next 3 days.